Hello and welcome to Katrinas Creations. This is the Friday edition, and today is going to be a tutorial for making a felted purse. So you can use any pattern you want to. You just need to remember that whatever you make, you want to make it bigger than what the pattern calls for because it is going to shrink down. I probably lost about an inch in the planning of this. So I have a couple more rows to go, but I want to make little like slits here, and then on the other side here and here, and here and here for the straps to slip through and then hook. So I measured it, I laid it out completely flat. I folded the bottom in, and then I measured the width across here, and it's 14¼ inches. And then I found the center, which was, or 14½, it was 7¼ inches into the center, and then I measured off of that so that I could keep these exactly even. And I have these stitch markers here because that way when I crochet around, I know exactly where I need to skip stitches to form the little slot that the strap is going to go through. So that's where I'm at this point. So I have the little slits finished at this point. So the handles are going to come through here and then be riveted at the top to form the straps. So the purse part of this is done. So right now I just have the stripes on this. I am going to put some vertical white lines done with chain stitch to form kind of like a plaid type of pattern, but I want to make an interior pocket and an exterior pocket that'll match this pattern as well. Those will be washed separately, and then the whole thing will be attached once it's felted. So I finished all of the pieces. I'll show you what I've got. This is the purse itself. This is going to be an outer pocket, so that's why I have the stripes matching. So it's going to go here. And then these two are two inner pockets that'll go on the inside walls here, so I didn't worry about striping them. So you may wonder, why didn't I attach them ahead of time? Because this is going to hopefully felt. I didn't want the pockets to felt shut or anything, so I'm actually going to get all of this felted individually and then attach it, and that's the same time I'll put the bottom on and the straps on as well. So the settings I'm going to use, I'm going to put it on hot, and I have an auto sensor so it won't fill the whole tub up with water. And then I'm just going to put it on and run it through a normal rinse or a normal wash here. So yeah, so we'll see what it looks like once it comes out, and it'll go into the dryer from there. So we'll take a look at it in between the wash and the dryer. It's now come out of the washer. We're getting ready to go into the dryer. It has shrunk this direction a little bit, so it actually looks longer than it did before, but it has shrunk some. And if you look close, you can see where it's starting to felt. It's fuzzed up definitely, but here you can see it. So I can't pull between these stitches. You can still see there's stitches, but there's no gaps in between them now. So here's what the outside pocket looks like, and the two interior pockets. So it's now going to go into the dryer on just regular heat. And then, I mean, it's almost dry as it is. It got a lot of the water out of it in the rinse cycle, but I'm now going to put it through the dryer and we'll see what we get. So here they are out of the dryer. They are actually really, really soft right now. I'm pleasantly surprised. It was really scratchy before, but this is really soft. You can see what it looks like. It's real fluffy and dense. It's like I can't stick my finger through there anymore. And here is the front pocket. And then I have the two interior pockets. So now just to assemble the bottom and put the straps on and sew these in place. So yeah, I'll get started with it, but I'm real happy with it. And as soft as this turned out, I might make something else out of this that I could actually wear up against me. I have quite a bit of this left. I didn't know what to do with it. But yeah, this is really, really soft how it washed up. So might be a thought there. So let me show you the finished product. We have handles, and I did attach them with little rivets. This was part of a kit that I got from Temu. So it had the bottom and the handles. You can also get it from Amazon. I will put a link to the Amazon one down below if you want to check it out. But I also made it so it has an outside pocket right here. And the pocket, I don't know how well it's going to show, but the pocket goes from here to here and down to here. So it's a good sized pocket. I like to stick my keys on the outside, but then on the inside I actually put two pockets there. I can flip it inside out to show it to you. So I could use this inside out if I wanted to. I'm not going to, but anyway, there's a pocket there. And then on this side is a pocket. So the inside I didn't bother to stripe it. Initially in the video I am going to show a tutorial on how to go about felting this. I was originally going to put lines that also ran this direction in it, but as you can see the top flares out a little bit, and I knew that if I started doing that it was going to make my lines look kind of funny, trying to keep them straight, so I decided we weren't even going to attempt that. So yeah, this is my finished one, and I'm real happy with how it turned out, and I look forward to using it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, and make sure you tune in tomorrow for our regular Saturday podcast. Thanks again for watching. Bye everybody.